Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Citra online. First, understand that Citra is a powerful Nintendo 3DS emulator, bringing handheld gaming to your computer. Playing online allows you to connect with a vast community of players, sharing the fun of your favorite titles. To begin, you will need a stable internet connection and the correct game files. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable online experience. Setting up Citra for online play is straightforward. Begin by downloading the most recent Citra Nightly or Canary build from the official website. Next, take a moment to configure your input settings, ensuring your controls feel just right. It is also crucial to ensure your computer's firewall permits Citra to access the internet, as this is essential for connecting to other players. Once these steps are complete, you are ready to explore online rooms. To join a multiplayer room, open Citra and click on the Multiplayer tab. Here, you will find a list of public rooms hosted by other players. Simply select a room and click Join to enter. If you have a specific group of friends, you can connect to a private room by entering its unique IP address and port number. For an even more stable connection, especially over long distances, a virtual private network can be very beneficial. For the best online experience, several tips can help. Firstly, always opt for a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi to minimize latency and ensure a stable link. Secondly, close any unnecessary background applications to free up your computer's processing power and memory. Thirdly, confirm that your game ROM version precisely matches that of other players in the room. Finally, clear communication with your fellow players can resolve many issues and enhance everyone's enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.